$14 million contract. So if it's annually $14 million and it's a long contract, then it prorates, so you actually get relief because it drops because of the extension. You still take the cap hit that Leonard Williams has this year that they're already absorbing.
Right, but can't that not be a signing bonus? Doesn't have to be a roster bonus?
No,
because isn't there a difference that the roster bonus wouldn't count against the cap?
It doesn't matter how you do it. You can be workout bonuses throughout, $1 million workout bonuses for just showing up, one time. It could be like performance bonuses latent that he's going to make 2 tackles and you get $1 million. It's so many unique ways about accounting, and the fact that they're absorbing this contract now means that they can absorb $14 million.
No, the Jets had to take $4 million of that. Remember, the Jets had to take $4 million because the Giants didn't have the space. That's what I was wondering about. And Marash corrected me, saying they just want to open talks around Thanksgiving, right, to get things started.
Yeah, they want to begin talks sometime before Thanksgiving.
Okay.